Okay. Let's go. Find your seatbelts.
Okay. I can't wait till tomorrow because then it's gonna be Valentine's Day.
You girls aren't putting on your seatbelts. So if you guys don't put on your seatbelts and we get into a crash, you guys can get badly hurt and slam through the windows.
Yeah, like that's ever gonna happen. We never get in a crash.
What if we do this time? If we get into a crash, you guys can get badly hurt. Now put on your seatbelts.
Fine, whatever.
Now if we get in an accident, you'll be prepared and won't get hurt.
Yeah, okay.
Good.
I like to do it 3D.
Oh, come on.
I know. I can't wait. Dad, not again.
Alright, hold on guys. Let me go check the engine. What the heck? My seatbelt's stuck.
Ours too.
Alright, hold on. Let me find my phone and call somebody. Where's my phone?
You left it at home to charge.
Oh, yeah.
Did you hear about that movie Marmaduke coming out? That one's harder. Someone in my class at school, they went. Dad, what's that?
Everything will be fine.
Daddy, there's a truck coming!
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Ah! I'm trying! Ah!